At this point, you should have Python installed on your computer. So we need to put Visual Studio Code on our system so that we can actually write Python programs. Notice I say Visual Studio Code. There is Visual Studio and there's Visual Studio Code. You want Visual Studio Code. This one is a lot simpler to use. Visual Studio has a lot of things that we don't need. So if you're in my class, hit the Canvas link and it'll take you to the download. I'm going to go to the home page here, and then I hit download for Windows, and you can see it's going to automatically start the download. I've been working on this for a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one that's installed, and it comes up with a window like this. So we have to agree to their terms. So I hit accept and agree, hit next, and this is where it's going to install. I hit next again. It's going to be Visual Studio Code in my task menu or my start menu. Um, it's got some stuff in here. Um, register code as an editor for supported file. Oh, so this setting, I believe this sets its auto open. It says add the path. Yes, you want to add the path. So make sure that is checked. If you want a desktop icon, go for it. I don't like them. So you can read through this, but yes, make sure the add to path is checked. So I'm going to hit next. I hit install. So then it's going to go through and set everything up. So once we get this done, then I'll show you how to install the add-on into VS Code so that you can easily run your Python files. Okay. So it says launch Visual Studio Code. Normally I hit this so that it won't launch, but I'll open it up so we can look at it. So this is what Visual Studio Code looks like. It's going to give us release notes. I'm not worried about that. Here's a welcome. Not going to worry about that one either. If we get to looking, we have a menu over here on the left. I don't want you to worry about this stuff. Don't touch this if you don't know what source control is. That's beyond the scope of this class and what we're talking about. I do want you to go to extensions and then type Python. And this one right here, it says Python. So I want you to click that. It's already installed on my computer, so that's why it's got uninstall up here. But I want you to install this, and next video, I'll show you how to use it.